Whispers on the pane, nature's rhythm, washing out the pain. Tears of the clouds, they gently collide, a melody of solace, nowhere to hide. Rain hums a hymn, soft and slow, healing hearts in the undertow. Every patter a note, every splash a tone, a therapy session from the unknown. Streetlights glisten, reflections play in puddles where worries dissolve away. Each droplet's a story, a soothing refrain. Harmony blooms in the fall of rain. Thunder claps, a bass line roars. Lightning strikes, opens new doors. The storm conducts an orchestral tune. Peace in the chaos beneath the moon. Rain hums a hymn, soft and slow, healing hearts in the undertow. Every patter a note, every splash a tone, a therapy session from the unknown. Curtains of mist, they veil the scene. Nature's lullaby so serene. A cleansing ritual, a healing rite, washing the darkness, welcoming light.